This one's been fun. Doing an evap core in a 07 Lexus IS250. Finally got the box out, the dash pad, and then this all comes out as a unit. Then we gotta separate it from the bar here, what they call it, the reinforcement bar. And then we can put the core back in it. And you can see down there, it's the evap cores in there. This was actually dripping dye out of the drain tube and leaking. All right, here's all the pieces. The dash cover, reinforcement bar, and then we got the evap box. So I'll get that taken apart, put the new one in it, clean it out, get it back together. So if you were ever to have to do one, a nice little note is that you gotta take this cowl part off. It says to take the wiper motor out, but you didn't have to. There's a bolt back in there, just a little 10 millimeter. This long one is for the hoses to go into the hoses for the evap core. Then of course this side, the heater hoses had to come off. And they had an aftermarket stereo, so all this mess was in the back of the radio. All right, get it together, get back together. Well, this is what it looks like all back together, and everything even works, even a backup camera. There it is.